Hey, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get the maximum purchase out of your website. In the previous video, I highlighted the importance of having your website, which essentially is an instrumental, pivotal point in digital marketing and getting businesses attracted towards you, and most importantly, for search engine optimization, which is a important element of digital marketing. Now, when you talk about having a website, here's what your website can do for you, provided you get one. And if you still have not purchased hosting or host, I would recommend looking at the description of this video. Buy the host, and rest assured, we will build your WordPress website, which includes the portfolio, which includes the company website, which includes a blog, which includes an e-commerce WordPress website. We'll install WooCommerce and a secure backend that would allow you to manage the inventory of your website. You'll have to do the data entry on your website all on your own. So let's discuss what a website can do for you, or how you can get the best or maximum out of your website. The first thing is SEO. In the later part of this playlist, you will learn how to do search engine optimization of your website. So we have been moving forward step by step. We built the base by highlighting the importance of having an internet presence. Then we moved on to Facebook and Google Ads, and then we discussed copywriting, importance of having a website, a landing page. And moving forward, we are going to learn the importance of SEO. As a matter of fact, we are going to learn SEO 100% in detail. And rest assured, this is all free playlist, and expect to get a similar content anywhere on the internet for no less than $1,000. That's the minimum cap I'm putting here. So website can help you get traffic from Google search engine primarily for your business related keywords. That's what a website can do for you. The second thing, if you want to get a best or maximum out of your website, you need to install live chat on your website, so that regardless of the fact that you're selling a service or you're selling a product, live chat allows you to communicate directly with your potential customers. So install live chat on your website. Third thing, of course, as I explained in the previous video, you need to have Facebook pixels on your website. So Facebook pixels is used for retargeting all those visitors who have a Facebook account and have visited your website in past. So when you advertise on Facebook, in the targeted audience section, you can select Facebook pixels, and this would show your ad to all the people who have visited your website in the past. And of course, Facebook pixels only record profiles that are on Facebook. So for a discussion's sake, you have a website, you advertise your website on Google Ads, all the people, they window shop or visit your website, you record their Facebook ID using Facebook pixels, and then down the road, when you advertise using Facebook pixel, in the targeted audience section, you can choose pixels, which would allow you to retarget all those viewers, customers, or potential customers for that matter, who have visited your website. Amazing, right? Then the push notification. I talked about onesignal.com. I'm not endorsing onesignal.com, but push notification is one important way of introducing your new product or service to your existing subscribers who have subscribed to your notifications. So I own a blog called beangguru.com. Whenever we put a new blog post, we have this onesignal.com push notification installed on our blog, and by submitting the blog post button, our blog post is sent to over 10,000 subscribers minimum. This is why push notification is very important, and you can get a maximum purchase out of your website in a long run, of course. Next thing is email opt-in form. Remember when we talked about the importance of having a landing page, we emphasized the importance of having an email opt-in form. By having an email opt-in form, you allow the visitors on your website to subscribe to your newsletter, and then you can send them updates or news about your product and services. Social media icons is the next thing. You need to prominently display your all social media icons on your website, be it Facebook, be it LinkedIn, be it YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, so on and so forth. Because when you prominently display your social media icons, there's a good chance that your visitor will end up subscribing or following or liking your page. That's what you want, right? Eventually, you are gathering all the audience under one roof in a long run, of course. So when people keep on following or subscribing or like your page, they are, without spending a dime on advertisement in the future, you are announcing your new product and services or get in touch with your loyal fans in a long run. Last but not the least, when you have a website, the first step is to advertise using Google and then use sponsored blog posts. So the reason why I say so is because when you advertise on Google, then given you have Facebook pixels installed, given you have one push notification installed, given you have email opt-in form installed, in a long run, you can advertise on Facebook literally on half of the budget, and again get in touch with your loyal customers in the long run. So, and when you talk about sponsored blog posts, now this is something you need to understand can yield in amazing results in a very short period of time without investing heavily. So what happens here is you reach out to the prominent blogs and you think that these blogs have got good traffic on a daily basis. You can find out the traffic of any website by going to similarweb.com, or you can also check Alexa rankings. This would give you a fair idea. You can also go to Uber Suggest. It's an amazing website. We are going to learn this in detail in SEO videos. Neil Patel is a digital marketer who has introduced Uber Suggest, and that allows you to get every nitty-gritty detail about a website. Their ranking on Google, keywords they are ranked for on Google, the backlinks, and so on and so forth. More on that later. So when you get to know about a website, it's at scale, how prominent it is, how popular it is, then you can reach out to them and ask them to allow you to put a sponsored blog post on their website. When you talk about your product and service in a blog post, somewhere in the middle or somewhere on the top, or depending on what you feel like, you ask for a backlink in that blog post to your website. So when someone reads through the copy and they click on the link, they land to your website. And then again, you got to have these three important elements on your website: push notification, pixels, and email opt-in form. So the idea is to get a traffic from wherever resource, wherever you can, whatever medium you can get from to your website, and then get in touch with your potential viewers who could be your customers in the long run. It's pretty simple. That's how you can get the maximum purchase out of your website. I hope this video helps. Thank you.